Welcome to our video on the document conversion service license level you need. In this video, we will discuss both the different licensing levels offered by Document Conversion Service, DCS for short, and how you can determine which one will be right for you. Document Conversion Service offers different licensing levels, from entry level through to level 5. Which one you need depends on your throughput requirements. There are three main factors that will impact your choice when selecting the license level that will meet your organization's needs: volume, deadline, and throughput. Volume is relatively straightforward, referring to the amount of files your organization needs to convert daily, your daily volume. Deadline refers to when a group of files must be converted by. Maybe you have a massive amount of backlog files that must be converted by year end, or the workflow of your organization requires that converted files be accessible to the user in a timely fashion. Throughput refers to the number of files that need to be converted in a given time period. Maybe your organization sends a large amount of files for conversion daily and you'd like them all converted by the next morning. Or maybe you still send a large amount of files daily, but don't mind when they get converted by. Entry level is suitable for organizations that need to convert a low daily volume of files, as this license level only converts one file at a time. Entry level is also ideal for use by developers responsible for integrating, testing, and maintaining DCS in your business, while higher license levels are used in production. Purchasing one of the higher license levels, level 1, 2, or 5, will depend on how many files you have to convert daily, if you have a large volume of files to be converted by a certain date, and your throughput requirements. Level 1 allows for 3 files to be converted concurrently. We recommend this license level for organizations looking to convert hundreds of files daily. The license level is also ideal for organizations with a low daily volume of files, but looking for a faster throughput than entry level can provide. The free trial is equivalent to level 1 license, making it a good starting point for evaluating your conversion needs. Level 2 allows for 6 files to be converted concurrently. We recommend this license level for organizations looking to convert thousands of files daily. As before, if your organization requires faster throughput than level 1 can provide, even if you do not have 1,000 files per day volume, Level 2 will convert the files quickly, and if this is important to you, then this may be the right choice for you. Level 5 allows for 10 files to be converted concurrently. This license level is equipped to convert several tens of thousands of files daily. Level 5 is also useful for organizations requiring exceptionally high throughput, even though they do not have tens of thousands of files per day volume. Scaling up the number of documents converted concurrently works well if you want to keep all conversions centralized to one system. But what if you need to increase your throughput even further, or you want failover protection if one system stops working? Document Conversion Service supports clustering and failover protection. Clustering is a method of directing multiple computers running DCS to a shared location to convert files. When clustering, it is our recommendation that you have multiple computers, each with a lower license level, such as level 2, operating in tandem. You can also use a combination of lower license levels as shown in this example, and still achieve faster throughput than a single machine at a higher license level. This results in more efficient and effective conversion of high volumes of files. This is because the cluster of servers' system resources are not as stressed as a single server's system resources would be handling 10 concurrent conversions. Also, if you are using Amazon Web Service to host cloud computing or a similar service, a level 2 license is normally the highest license level you can utilize in those environments. Scaling out with the use of clustering, you can obtain both high volume and high availability. See our clustering setup video for more information. The DCS license level you choose is always influenced by the system requirements needed to run that level of DCS. To run entry level, which converts only one document at a time, your system needs a minimum of 2 cores and 4 GB of RAM. For optimal performance, run entry level on a system with 4 cores. To run level 1, which converts 3 documents in parallel, your system needs a minimum of 2 cores and 4 GB of RAM. For optimal performance, run level 1 on a system with 4 cores. To run Level 2, which converts 6 documents in parallel, your system needs a minimum of 4 cores and 8 GB of RAM. For optimal performance, run Level 2 on a system with 8 cores. To run Level 5, which converts 10 documents in parallel, your system needs a minimum of 8 cores and 12 GB of RAM. For optimal performance, run Level 5 on a system with 12 cores. As you can see, it is ideal to have more cores than DCS requires, so your server can carry out other functions beyond DCS. Clustering can help balance the load again here, as you can have 3 servers with 4 cores, as opposed to having 1 server with 12 cores. Determining your level requirement very much depends on your needs as a company. As discussed, it is a combination of both volume and how quickly you need the files converted. The Peernet support team is always more than happy to discuss and work with you to determine what is best for your organization. The option to upgrade to a higher level is always available, and when purchased, it is as simple as relicensing your computer with the upgraded serial number, and your new level will be ready. No new software to load. All of our DCS license levels come with our annual ongoing support subscription, which includes the ability to request license adjustments so the license can be reassigned to another computer, priority technical support, and continuous access to your software download, including all updates and upgrades via your online account. Most importantly, this subscription ensures that you have access to all new product features, and DCS is always compatible with the latest OS. The best way to learn about document conversion service is by trying it out yourself. Download our free trial and follow our Getting Started tutorial series for easy setup. We are always available to help with configuration and answer any questions you have about setup or the product. If you are looking for an enterprise solution to streamline your business processes and boost efficiency, our document conversion service is right for you. If you haven't done so already, follow the link below and download your free trial.